Hello, good morning. This is Mr. M from Algebra Lessons. Today's topic is reflections. How can we perform the process of reflection in an XY plane? That is the thing that we are discussing today. So before I start this worksheet that I posted here in the screen, I would like to introduce some rules for that. So what are the types of reflection where we can reflect? Say for example, we can reflect on x-axis or across x-axis, and we can reflect on y-axis, and we can reflect on the line y is equal to x, and we can reflect on the line y is equal to minus x, and we can reflect on some line specifically representing some points. Okay, so we can discuss about the basic rules of reflection. When you are reflecting an object or simply a point xy, when you are reflecting simply a point xy on x-axis, so the mirror is x-axis. So what will happen to this xy? Xy will changes to let me use a different color. Xy will changes to x minus y. So the coordinates position are actually not changing, but the sign of y coordinate is changing. That is what is happening for the reflection on x-axis. Similarly, for y-axis, if you are trying to reflect it on y-axis, the coordinate xy will changes to minus xy. Actually, the coordinates positions are actually not changing. What changing is only the sign of the x coordinate. So for on x-axis, if you are reflecting it on x-axis, the y value is changing. Y value sign is changing. If you are reflecting it on y-axis, the x coordinate sign is changing. And if you are reflecting it on y is equal to x, what will happen for the coordinate xy? The coordinate xy will change to yx. The coordinates are changing its position, interchanging. Xy will become by yx. Okay, and what will happen if you are reflecting it on y equal to minus x, y is equal to minus x line? So the coordinate xy will change to minus y minus x. At this point only the change happens for the position and the sign also. So if you are reflecting it on y is equal to minus x, the coordinates are changing its position, that means interchanging, and changing its sign too. And if you are trying to reflect it about the origin, so about the origin, these are the very basic cases. About the origin, the coordinate xy will changes to minus x minus y, Okay, now we can check each case one by one. Okay, about the x-axis, we can check, do we have an example here to show you? Yeah, we have question number 2. Question number 2 is asking you to reflect this shape across the x-axis. Okay, so across the x-axis, what will happen? Across the x-axis, the coordinates xy will change to x minus y. Okay, if you need to perform a reflection successfully, you can start practicing like this. Write the coordinates first. So we have the vertices are a, w, m, and p. A, W, M, and P. What is the coordinate of x? So let me mark it 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, and so on. Okay. So what's the coordinate of A? A is actually representing 4, 3. And what is W? W is representing negative 1, 4. Negative 1, 4. And M represents, that is also negative 1, and 5, I believe. Yep, 5. And P represents 1, 5. Okay, as per the rule, if you are reflecting across the x-axis, xy should change to x minus y. That means the sign of the y coordinate should change. So after reflection, we can just call it as after reflection, the points are a dash, w dash, m dash, and p dash. So a dash will be 4, negative 3. W dash will be negative 1, negative 4, because the sign of the y coordinate is changing. M dash will be negative 1, negative 5, and P dash will be 1, negative 5. Okay, so these are the coordinates after reflection. We can just try to plot it. Then we can check what is actually going to happen for the shape. So A dash is 4, negative 3. 4 and negative 3 is here. Yeah, 4, negative 3. This is A dash. And W dash is negative 1, negative 4. So negative 1, negative 4 is here. Yeah, negative 1, negative 4. That is W dash. And M dash is negative 1, negative 5. So negative 1, negative 5. This is M dash. And P dash is 1, negative 5. 1, negative 5. So these are the points. These are the points. So how we can connect it? This is P dash. Okay. Here there is a connection between A to W. So we should have a connection between A dash to W dash. Okay. A dash to W dash. This is A dash. And this is W dash. I'm going to draw with a different color pen. That will make more sense. Okay, so A dash to W dash. This is the line connecting A dash and W dash. Yeah, and then we have a connection between W dash and M dash. So this is W dash and M dash. Yeah, this is W dash and M dash. And then we have a connection between M dash and P dash. So this is M dash, this is M dash and P dash. Okay, and then we have a connection between P dash and A dash, P dash and A dash. So this is the line connecting between P dash and A dash. So this is the shape that is reflected across the x-axis, or this is the way you can reflect a shape across the x-axis. Okay, we can discuss another one problem here. We can check what is going to happen, how we can perform this. Okay, so let it be question 4, reflection across y is equal to -1. That is a different question. That is actually not giving us any rule. We are actually following our very basic understanding. So where you have to first plot where is y is equal to -1. So negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So basically we don't need to mark it here because we just need y is equal to -1. Y is equal to -1 is this point. Okay, that is the point. So if you are asking, if somebody is asking you to draw y is equal to -1, so you have to draw a parallel line that is parallel to parallel to x-axis. So I'm going to use a different color. So this is the line that you are going to use as the origin of reflection. Okay, so now we can mark the point. You just reflect, just try to use this as the mirror. So from this mirror line, how much away each point, that's it, the only thing you need to check. So from this mirror line, this L is 1 unit away, so reflect it over here. Yep, that is L dash. From this mirror line, this point is how far away? 1, 2. So from this mirror line, 1, 2. So this is the next point. Yep. And from this mirror line, this point is how far away? 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. This is the next line. Okay. This line is 1, 2, 3, 4 units. So 1, 2, 3, 4 units. Okay. So now we can mark each point. So this is B dash. This is I dash. This is W dash. And this is L dash. So we can connect. So I dash to W dash. I dash to W dash. Let me use a different color. So I dash to W dash. So I'm going to draw a line connecting I dash to W dash. And then I dash to B dash. I dash to B dash. So this is the line. This is the line. This is the line. I dash to B dash. And then W dash to L dash. W dash to L dash. So this is W dash to L dash. This is the line representing W dash to L dash. And then B dash to L dash. B dash to L dash. So this line represents B dash to L dash. See how nicely and simply we reflected that on y is equal to -1. So this is the way we can reflect the shapes. And finally, so question number 3 I'm going to explain for you. Y is equal to -6. Which line represents my y is equal to -6? So y is equal to -6 represents a line that is passing through this way. Okay, so this is y is equal to -6. So you have to have an idea what is the line represents y is equal to -6. Okay, if you have to reflect one object on this line y is equal to -6, basically we have the rules. So we are actually trying to follow the rules. So first you have to have the coordinates 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. -1, -2, -3, -4. Okay, we can try. So I believe the coordinates are S, A, I believe it is B and T. Suppose this is B. Okay, this is A, this is S, and this is T. Okay, what is the coordinates of each? S represents 4, 2, 4, 2, and A represents 3, -1, 3, -1, and B represents 4, -3, 4, -3, and T represents 5, 5, -2, 5, -2. And now you need to go back and check what is the rule that we have for y is equal to -6. This is the rule that represents y is equal to -6. What will happen for y is equal to -6 when we are trying to reflect across the line y is equal to -6? The coordinates x, y will change to -y -x. That means interchange the coordinates and change its sign. So we can write that coordinate s dash, a dash, B dash, and T dash like this. Interchange the coordinates. So 4, 2 become 2, 4. 3, -1 become, so here when we are interchanging, you have to change the sign also, right? We have to change the sign also. That is -y, -x. So this will be -2, -4. A dash become -1, 3, but you have to change the sign, so it will become 1, -3. And B dash is 4, B is 4 minus 3, interchange the coordinate, that is -3, 4, and change the sign, that is 3, -4. And T dash, T is 5 minus 2, interchange the coordinates, that is -2, 5, and change the sign, so 2, -5. And now we can draw the actual shape after reflection. So S dash, we can mark S dash, that is -2, -4, -2, -4 is here. A dash is 1, -3, 1, -3 is here. yeah, here, and then so we can mark it S dash, A dash, and B dash is 3 minus 4. So 3 negative 4 is here. Yep, that is B dash. 3 negative 4 is that, and T dash is 2 negative 5. 2 negative 5 is here, so this is T dash. And now we can connect the points. A dash to S dash. A to S means A dash to S dash. A dash to S dash. A dash and S dash is here. So this is A dash to S dash line. And then S dash to T dash. S dash to T dash. This is the line. This is the line. S dash to T dash and T dash to B dash. T dash to B dash. This is line. This is a line. And then we have A dash to B dash, A dash to B dash. So this is the line. See, this is what is called the reflection happening on y is equal to minus x. So this is a fantastic piece of reflection video, and I believe this each piece actually making more sense to you. If you have more question on this, please comment below the video. Thank you very much.